Ay, pinagpapawisan pa ako. So, I got a package personally delivered by Juana, my maid of honor. So, this package is from my bridesmaid daw. So, may invitation pa. Taray. Ay, invitation talaga siya. Kala ko message lang. The last fling before the ring. Let's have some fun and celebrate you. Our bride-to-be, Valerie. Okay, this. Okay. Ay, ang taray. Ulam. Ay! Shawka! Oh, may pa shawka pa sila. Alam nilang favorite ko yung shawka talaga. Oh, my babies are so sweet. Forever and ever in. I got choco and then I got this sola iced tea, which I like also. Thanks guys.